Hello friends, this is Mike from Kus Factory. We are the global base for the billet projector and fog light. Today I'm gonna take you around the factory. Let's go. Firstly, let me bring this all into your eyes. This witnessed the development and the efforts of the Kus Factory. Firstly, let me introduce you to this line. These are all the patent designs we have acquired for the Kus products. This is the Unity Model Certificate, and this for the appearance design patent. Also, we have the invention patent. And this all witnessed the efforts we have put in the research and design of the Kus products. Second, these are the international standard test, CE, FCC, ROHS, for all the Kus goods. And here also we have certificates for Kus on the national standards. All of the Kus products are in accordance both with the international standard and also the national standard. And finally, these are the trademark we have registered in different countries. And now, we are still looking for more agents and partners in your local country and to lead and grow in the local community. Okay, for more information, welcome to contact me and my team.